Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we're looking into the system of units in physics. In today's world we see the SI system, and we did looked upon the every SI system consists of 7 fundamental quantities, and we did looked upon those quantities one by one in our previous video, like length, mass, time, amount of substance, temperature, luminosity intensity, and that these are 7 in number. So we did look upon that one by one. But if we talk about history, so history includes a few kind of other systems, right? It cannot happen that system of international units have those fundamental 7 quantities at a glimpse. There is a history behind that. So we have got basically 4 different system of units that were kept modifying, and we just came to the most modified system of unit, that is the system SI system, that is which we are using today, right? So we have got 4 different units, system of units. We have got 4 system of units. Okay, 4 system of units. Number 1 is the CGS system. CGS system. We're looking into it one by one, and we'll be cracking it up and going for the MCQs questions which do come from these topics as well. So don't take tension about that. You are not get cleared about the topic. Next we got the FPS system, right? So this is the FPS system, that is also called the British engineering system. And the third we have got the it is MKS system. MKS system. You don't even though you can you have to just you do not need to remember like C, G and S. What does that mean? Like, that is quite simple, like centimeter, gram, second. So we'll be looking into one by one, just making you clear how to learn that. So the fourth is SI system, which we are using today. SI system. So we're looking into the CGS system first. So let's go for that. CGS system, right? So this basically means it has got C, G and S. So basically this means that there are kind of three fundamental quantities in this system, the C, G and S. C means centimeter. So, and we see in the SI system we have got the length in meters. So here it is centimeter. So here, from here you can understand like changes do come. And here we have got for G it is gram. Like in the SI system we have mass, we have the kilogram, but in CGS system we have got gram as a in these systems, like the meter and the kilogram are the drive units. So that is a difference, right? So that is second, centimeter, gram, second. Even though second is also the same. So this is MCQs, like all the quantities have changed or not. They are not changed because second is the same, right? So let us get more further into it. So this is basically, like, we can say the centimeter is for length, right? We measure this in length. We've got gram. Gram is for mass, right? We have got second. Second is for time, right? So moving forward, let me MCQs can come, like, let me scroll this a bit, size this, and okay. So now MCQs can come like this. What would be the value of what would be the formula of velocity? like we let me make a table for you. Formulas of, now number one we have got, I just gave you a question that uh, tell me the formula of velocity formula. So if I gave you a question, tell me the formula of velocity in SI system. Okay, let me make the columns of the more systems, like SI system, and here let me make the CGS system, right? So here from we'll be looking into the velocity formula. So velocity is in SI system, okay, it is the distance covered by body per unit time. So in SI system is a meter per second, right? I do hope that you guys know that, like, velocity is the distance covered by body per unit time. So the distance is meter in SI system, meter per second. So this is the velocity formula in the SI system. While if we talk about the velocity formula in the CGS system, that would be centimeter per second. So how is that happening? Like, we've got CGS, the fundamental quantity is centimeter, so we did put here centimeter. Like number two, we have got I suppose let's give you acceleration, so capital A, that is the acceleration. Okay, leave that, okay, that would be confusing, the acceleration. So that would be equal to, in SI system, meter per second square. Okay, so in CGS system that would be converted into centimeter per second square. That is quite simple. If you get to track, just be making it on your own. And if we talk about work, so work is W into D, right? Work, even though it is like W into D, so force into D, right? F into D. Let me mention the formula: F into D, F dot D, distance, force into distance. So in the work formula in the SI system, that would be force is Newton and distance Newton per second. Newton per second would be the formula of the work. And while in the CGS system, that would be converted into the force. Remember, from here we do let come to know that the force formula in CGS system is the dyne, right? So that would be dyne per second, or you can say distance, so that is dyne per that would be centimeter, that is distance, right? So in the SI system, we've got work is force per unit distance, so F is Newton, so we wrote N, and distance, that is meter, Newton per meter, right? So this is work, right, in the SI system. So in the CGS system, that would be dyne per centimeter. And let me tell you guys that one dyne is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Like here, one dyne is equal to 10 to the power minus, you need to just consider it as a power. I'm mentioning the power over here, so that would be equal to 10 to the power minus power minus 5, right? 10 to the power 5, right? 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Newton, and one dyne would be equal to okay, so wait a minute, 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 dyne, and 1 dyne is equal to 10 to the power 5 1 dime is equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton. And here, okay, so here, and 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. So here you can see the difference, like 1 dime is equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 dime. Okay, so this is dime. In the similar way, we have just got another quantity, that is the power. So let me tell you a thing, like this thing. Okay, so like over here, and dime per centimeter is equal to erg, right? Dime into the centimeter is equal to erg. Like W, we can say that is equal to erg. And from here to get to know that power that would be equal to erg per second. Erg, work done per unit time, right? W upon T. So in SI system that would be Newton per second, and in this it would be that would be not like this, but you can say like in this system that would be erg per second, right? So the next quantity we do have is we have not left with a special kind of quantity. We are quite clear, but this even though these are not kind of important that much, but the MCQs can come from this section, so you just need to look that once. And I do hope that the SI system, the CGS system basic concept has got clear to you, and you have got cleared about what type of MCQs to come. Okay, so in the next class we'll be looking into the FPS system and the MKS system and SI system. We will look upon the next video, that is the target for FPS. So meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.